Today we are going to do an experiment related to the extraction of DNA from the plant materials. For this we require some ingredients. What things we require is that this is a papaya, which is a plant material to be used, a knife, then we need some sand for crushing, we need salt, common salt, then this is a mortar and pestle, and this is a detergent, okay, available in our kitchen, and this is water, and then this one is your strainer, and ethanol and some ice. Okay, so what we are going to do is that at first we are going to cut the papaya into pieces. And then we will take out the peel of the papaya. And make small pieces. And then we will transfer them into this mortar and pestle. Let us make them little bit smaller. It will be easy for crushing. While you are crushing, you have to add a bit of detergent in it. This will be actually helping to rupture the walls of the plant material so that the DNA can be extracted easily. You have to add some salts to it regularly. It will be giving you a gritty texture. You can add a bit of sand in it so that it is easy for crushing. And now you can add some water to it. Almost done, but let us mix these things properly, because the more you crush, the more the outer wall gets disrupted. You have to do it very finely and with patience so that everything is ruptured properly and you can get the DNA filaments. You can add a bit of more water to it. Now it's almost ready. Let us see. Now you need to use a strainer, and in this strainer you will put the contents and let it filter properly. It is already done. Now next what we are going to see is, this is the extract. Okay, this should be the consistency. Now next what we have to do is that this is chilled ethanol and this is the ice, and in this ice what we are going to do is that we will put this container containing the plant extract inside it, and we will be gradually putting this ethanol to it. And wait for some time. You can see that how the things are getting cleared. Now we will be we can agitate a little bit. And wait for some time. So after waiting for some time, now you can see that almost the filaments of the DNA, that is the DNA threads, have started forming. Let me hold it closer to you so that you can see it more nicely. So if you see it closer to you, focus it properly, then you will find that this white color filaments which have accumulated is nothing but the DNA threads. That is, the isolation of the DNA has taken place.